Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll examine leather flip cover for Samsung phone. You can buy this one on AliExpress. I'll put the link in the description, and the cost is about $4.50 US. It is available for several Samsung Galaxy phones, including A71, A51, A70, A30, A40, A10, S20, Note 10, S10, S21, S9, S8, S7, you name it. It fits the phone nicely, and the first impression is that it looks very nice and you can choose from 5 different colors. Quality seems fine, and we'll see about it after a couple of months of use. It has magnetic cover, but the magnet is pretty weak and doesn't prevent the cover from opening when you turn the phone upside down. You can also use it as a stand when you want to watch videos, for instance. Let's see if it allows wireless charging, since it is a bit thicker than your classic silicone or hard plastic covers. Also, I'll test it if it will charge with my invisible charger. That is wireless charger with mounts under the desk and charges through the desk plate. And since it passed both charging tests, let's see a final one, reading the NFC tags. Thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.